Hey guys, it's Adam back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Dell Visor, and this is a VR headset for under £400 and I got this for cheap on eBay, so let's just go ahead and unbox it and get into the video. Okay, so now let's just open the box up. I have actually opened this before because it didn't actually record the first time, which is fine, but a little bit annoying. Struggling to open it the second time. Okay, so if we open up, we see the headset and both the controllers. So here's the headset. It looks pretty nice. It's in glossy white on the front and matte white here. It's got a comfortable cushion, so let's just put that to one side and we'll look at that a little bit later. The manuals are in here, not very interesting stuff, like the setup stuff, but it takes you through that on the actual computer, so you don't need to use this. And then here's the straps for the controllers. One of them's on the floor, which is, yeah, well, I'll just pick it up later. Now here are the controllers. They're pretty nice. They've got a few buttons on. There's a little touchpad here, and then a little whatever they're called, control stick, and then some more buttons here. It looks pretty nice. Here are all the little lights which help get tracked by the controller headset. Sorry. And here's the other controller. Pretty much same thing. And now, these are the batteries. Not very interesting. So without further ado, let's get into a setup and see what this has to offer. Okay, so I've been trying this out for about 2 days now, and I'm actually really impressed. I really love the quality of this, and I feel really immersed when playing. I'm not going to do a full-out review now because I'm going to do that a few weeks later when I've had my final thoughts and I'm actually been playing with it for a few weeks, but I'm really impressed. The quality of the actual graphics and the how comfy it is, I'm really amazed, and I think for the price you can't go wrong with it. But be sure to check out my review in a few weeks. But right now, that has been me, and I will see you in my next week's video, which will be a review on the Amazon Echo Plus, so I will see you in the next one.